Hey everyone, it's Alessandro Bruxel from Home Chef Seattle. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some churros. Who doesn't love churros? My kids definitely do, so they're going to be happy today. There are different variations on how to make churros. Some recipes ask for eggs, some don't, but they all start with a choux pastry. I'm going to be sharing with you the recipe that I like to make, and we're going to be serving them with some sugar and cinnamon. Also going to be serving some with Dulce de Leche and Nutella. I hope you enjoy it. Let's get started. Start by adding 1 cup of water to a medium-sized saucepan. Then add 1 tablespoon of sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Bring the mixture to a boil over medium-high heat and stir for the butter to melt. Then add 1 cup of all-purpose flour and lower the heat to low. Mix it well so the flour is well combined and without any lumps. Cook it for a few minutes until the dough comes together and leaves a thin film at the bottom of the pan. Then transfer the dough to a heat-proof bowl and spread it and let it cool for a few minutes. Once the dough has cooled down a bit, add 3 eggs, one at a time, making sure that it's well combined before adding the next. You can also use a mixer to combine the eggs if you prefer. When adding the eggs, also add half teaspoon of vanilla extract. Next, prepare a piping bag with a star tip and transfer the dough into the bag. Mix half cup of sugar with 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. We're going to be using this to coat the churros after they're fried. I am making a few donut-shaped churros. For that, I'm piping them over some parchment paper first. In a large pan, heat up some oil until it reaches 370 Fahrenheit, 187 Celsius. Pipe the churros right into the oil and cut them with some kitchen scissors to the desired length. Turn the churros a few times while frying until they're nice and golden, then transfer them to a wire rack lined with paper towel to drain. Since we're using a choux pastry with egg, it's normal for the churros to puff up a little while they're frying. You'll get a churro that is nice and crispy on the outside with a fluffy interior. Once the churros have cooled down enough to handle, roll them in the cinnamon sugar to coat. For the round churros, just add them to the oil and peel off the parchment paper. You can also use the same method for the straight churros, if you not like to pipe them straight into the oil. I am serving the round churros layered with some dulce de leche and Nutella, and topping it with some toasted hazelnuts. You can serve the churros just with the cinnamon sugar or some dulce de leche, Nutella, or a chocolate ganache as dipping sauce. I hope you have enjoyed the recipe. Please don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more recipes to come. Thank you for watching.